I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Twinchie Tuesday hosted by Jenn at Sassy Southern North NC Girl. So I hope everybody is doing great. Be sure and check out Jenn's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday to see what everyone else has done. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, I have this water paper. I've already cut it into my 2-inch squares. And I think I make around just the smallest of the edges. And I found these cute stickers. I'm trying to go through my stash. I have got a lot of stuff, and I'm trying to organize it and see what I want to keep and what I may want to pass on to some friends who would really enjoy it. I have been very blessed over the years, and I have stuff that I've had from scrapbooking for many years, so things that I probably wouldn't use anymore. It's real easy to hoard stuff, but it doesn't make sense when there's other people who would enjoy using it. My style has changed. Okay. Alrighty. I love the colors in these fish. Now this one had gotten stuck, so I think I would want to add that in there. And maybe a little starfish. And I have got, oh, he's big, so he has to go catty corner. He's making a dive for it. And we have this one with some coral. And we could do this little fish coming out. And this one, I don't know, maybe too, yeah, it's too big. So maybe, I like the fish. So maybe do this fish and another starfish. And we got all these little water droplets. So let's see what we want to do. All right. Well, looks like it wants to stay down, so I'm not going to fuss with it too much if it's good and sticky. This one could use some more glue. And this one has stuck right back down, so we will add a little bit of glue to that. This one could use some glue. And we will add some glue to this starfish. I think those are cute. And I have got these little water droplets. So we'll add there. 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 Whoops. Got a little bit happy with the glue there. It will dry clear. And I know that since that one doesn't have any extra, I'm going to add some extra little dots there. And one here. see here. I have Chinese shell. Oops. I can add here. And oh no, I may like this one better. Yeah. There we go. Still have two little droplets that I can add. These are just so fun. It doesn't take no time to do these. I can get them down. Feel like a contact. There it is. I used to wear contacts. All right. Well, I think those are cute. I like how they turned out. I hope you do as well. So here are my 4 Twinchies. 4 just seems like a good number to make. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Once again, please check out Jenn's channel, a Sassy Southern NC Girl, and the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday. I've got a lot of friends that do this, and their Twinchies are wonderful. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye.